Hey everyone, welcome back to my Mexican kitchen here in Switzerland. Today I'm showing you guys how to make a very typical Mexican candy. It's eaten a lot in Mexico, at least. I'm not sure if it's of a Mexican origin, but it's called Mazapan, not to be confused with the European marzipan. Completely different. This one's crumbly, the one in Europe is creamy, I guess would be the texture. This is one of the many brands that you can find in Mexico, and this is what it looks like. It's made out of peanut. There's also almond ones, but the one I'm going to teach you how to make is made out of peanut. So like any expat, usually when you go back to your home country, your suitcase comes back home filled with treasures, whether it's food, gifts from family, anything you consider a treasure. It's precious, what in pounds or in kilos for that suitcase. And this box, for example, is 840 grams. So that's almost 1 kilo of your suitcase that you're just using for a box of candy. And this candy is really easy to make. I want to show you guys how to make it so that you can save that space next time you're traveling. And if you prefer the store-bought one, then that's fine, but these are just as good. My kids haven't noticed the difference. So I hope you enjoy the recipe. The ingredients you need to make your mazapanes are 2 cups of unsalted peanuts. If you can't find unsalted peanuts where you live, you can also use salted ones. They turn out just as nice. It's actually a really nice surprise. But if you do find unsalted ones, then that would be the traditional way to make them. And you would also need 1 cup and 3/4 of powdered sugar. Okay, so like I said, this recipe is super simple. You're going to definitely need a food processor. We've tried making this with a blender. It didn't work. The reason is you need to turn your peanuts into really fine powder, and a blender won't do that for you. So you have to have a food processor for this recipe. And what we're going to do is we're going to put our peanuts in the food processor, and we are going to break them down into fine powder. It has to process into fine powder. Once that happened, then you can add your confectioner sugar in there, and you're going to continue processing, blending until it turns into a paste. There is no exact time to do the whole mixing part. It's until you see it turned into a paste. And that's basically it. That's how simple the recipe is. You can help yourself with a spatula, like every once in a while. You can take the stuff off the sides so that it fully integrates and there's no parts that just have sugar or just have peanuts. You want everything to integrate well. But other than that, it's just mixing with this baby. The dough is ready. It looks crumbly at plain sight, but if you guys have ever had a mazapan, you know how crumbly that candy is. It's like you look at it and it just crumbles apart. It's funny. So basically what you're looking for is you stick your hand in and yeah, it's crumbling, but when you squish it, it turns into a solid form. So that's what you want. And what we're going to do is you're going to get out your cookie cutters, any shape you want, any shape you have at home. It can be a heart, a star, circles, which is the traditional shape. And you're going to stuff your mazapan paste in here. You're really going to compact it, really stuff it, and you're going to overfill. You're going to use a pastry dough scraper or a butter knife to cut off the excess from it, and then you're going to gently push it out, and you're going to have your homemade mazapan. That's how easy it is. Okay, so we're done making our mazapanes. As you guys saw, it's super easy. If you have kids at home, it's quite fun to get your hands all messy. If you don't have kids, it's fun for us adults also. I love the squishy texture in it. Here's how the mazapanes look. They're quite beautiful. We managed to make 16 with all the different cutters. Cameraman ate some, I ate some, that's why they're not all here. But they are super yummy. They are a lot of fun to make, and I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy making them. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.